Hello, in front of me I've got 70mai DashCam A800s. In this video I'll show you how to check for system update. Firstly, let's go to settings on the camera and go to system settings. Go to about. Right here you've got your current version. Now when your device is connected with the smartphone, enter system update. And as you can see, we have to detect, download and promote the upgrade package with app. So let's go to 70mai app. As you can see, my camera is already connected with the smartphone. Press this button right here and go to firmware update. As we can see, our camera is up to date. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.